Welcome to the CalFresh Family Cooking Series, where we make simple and healthy recipes as a family.
Hi, my name is Rosie, and this is my mom, Sasha.
Today we're making healthy strawberry banana smoothies. Perfect for those hot summer days or when you just need a refreshing pick-me-up. These are the ingredients you'll need.
Orange juice, yogurt, frozen strawberries, and banana.
So now we're gonna add everything together. Into the blender goes the orange juice.
Oh, it just went fluey.
Low-fat plain yogurt for a creamy texture. Some strawberries, fresh or frozen, and a banana. Chop the banana into chunks. You can also let your kids break it up with their hands.
Now we blend.
All right, let's get blending. Smoothies are a great beverage choice containing healthy nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And the best part, let your kids decide what goes in it.
Now time for the taste test.
Do we try it?
Delicious smoothie.
A delicious smoothie. So there you have it, a delicious, healthy, and fun to make smoothie.